Now that we've practiced the process of setting up and solving a system of equations to solve a problem, we'll close the lesson by giving you a problem to solve and providing just a couple of suggestions to get you started. Well, we're not really finished with the lesson. We have the applications to look at, right? Let's see what we have here. The Shirt Shack operates on a daily fixed cost plus a variable cost that depends on the number of shirts screened in one day. Okay, the total cost for screening 260 shirts on Friday was $1,015. And they're saying the total cost for screening 380 shirts on Saturday was $1,345. What is the fixed daily cost and what is the cost to screen each shirt? That would be the variable cost, wouldn't it? So it says we're asked to find two things in this problem. Assign a variable to each. So let's let x be the fixed cost, and let's let y be the variable cost, and that is the cost to screen each shirt. Okay. On B, it says now use your variables to write and solve a system of equations. Well, we don't know the fixed cost, but we know we start out with that. And we don't know the variable cost, but we know that if we printed 260 shirts times that variable cost, so we fixed cost plus 260 times the variable cost, it cost $1,015. All right, let's look at this next scenario. So again, the fixed cost plus the 380 shirts times the variable cost was $1,345. So go ahead and pause this and see if you can find the solution. Well, here's what I plan to do. I'm going to go ahead and solve this first equation for x. So I'm going to subtract the 260y from both sides. So x equals 1,015 minus 260y. So now in this equation down here, wherever there's an x right here, I'm going to substitute 1,015 minus 260y. So I will do that right now. And then plus that 380y equals 1,345. Okay, so we go ahead and put my y's together. The minus 260y plus 380y gives me 120y plus 1,015 equals 1,345. Let's subtract this 1,015 from both sides. And I get 120y equals 330. Now let's divide both sides by 120. And I get y is 2.75. So what was y? Y was the variable cost. So we would say each shirt cost $2.75 to print. All right, now let's figure out what our fixed cost was, shall we? So we have x equals 1,015 minus 260 times 2.75. Okay, so I have x equals 1,000, well, heck, let me go ahead and put that in my calculator, and I get 300. So the fixed cost is $300. Now, both of these answers make sense.